Hello everyone, I'm Salina. Welcome to my channel HomeSkillHub. How are you all? Hope all are fine. In today's video, I will show you how we can convert old wooden furniture into a new and classy looking furniture, and I will show you step by step process. So see the video till the end. So let's start. So for this project we need sticker, wallpaper, scissor and a hard sheet. This marble printed wallpaper I have purchased from Amazon at rupees 249. मैं इसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी. And this is waterproof and also oil proof. So let's open this wallpaper to know the thickness. I think this wallpaper's thickness is as similar to gift wrapping paper. So I would recommend it for any wooden furniture, plastic furniture, cabinets, but not for walls. पेपर पेस्टिंग करने से पहले मैं टेबल को अच्छे से साफ कर रही हूँ ताकि सारे डस्ट निकल जाएं. नाउ आई एम पेस्टिंग द पेपर फ्रॉम वन साइड. So the half part of the table is done. Now I will paste the remaining part. But this time I will measure the paper. जितना हमें चाहिए I will cut the paper, then I will paste. I think this process is easier than before what I have done. Now I am folding the paper with the measurements so that I will cut. अभी मैं दोनों पेपर की एजेस को मैच करके यहाँ पे सेलो टेप लगा दिया ताकि मैं इजीली स्टिक कर पाऊँ. सो नाउ द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द टेबल इज डन. अभी मैं इसके साइड को छोटे छोटे पेपर के स्ट्रिप्स काट के अभी पेस्ट कर रही हूँ. So friends, my pasting is done. Looking so classy and new one, is not it? So guys, what are you looking for? Just give a chance to your old furniture into a new and modern look. और ये वीडियो अगर आपको हेल्पफुल लगा होगा then press the like button and also share with your friends and relatives. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel HomeSkillHub for more such informative videos. So friends, bye bye and take care.